Hi, Ken.
Hello.
Somebody asked us today, do we ever use solvents?
No, we never use solvents. And solvents are found in the C60. It's how it's purified. We use sublimated C60. And if you remember from high school chemistry class, sublimation is like evaporation. It's when a solid turns into a gas, then back into a solid. And that's done in a sublimator. So our C60 is purified that way, so it's never been exposed to solvents. Now, a lot of products out there use solvent purified C60. So if you see something like ESS or supercharged
Or oven baked,
or any of those other things they put on it, that's just telling you it's a solvent-based thing. And one of the reasons you want sublimated, not solvent-based, is because sublimated is naturally highly pure. When you sublimate it, it's like 99.99% or 99.98%. That's just the nature of sublimation. So when you're getting a sublimated product, it's always going to be naturally highly purified. Now, if you get a solvent-based one, well, there's a whole levels of that. So there's people out there that are selling you 99.9% pure C60. Well, that other 0.1%, that's going to be toluene, also known as methylbenzene. And other people that are selling 99.95% pure C60. Well, that's still kind of pure, but the problem is that 0.5% is going to be solvent. So you always want to look for sublimated C60, and it should say there in the packaging or on the website, sublimated C60. If it doesn't say sublimated C60, it means it's solvent, and it's methylbenzene, a known carcinogen that's inflammatory, and we're kind of trying to avoid that by taking a C60 product. So always look for sublimated and 99.99% pure C60.
So we have this issue where people just rip off our copy, and they'll put it on their website. And I've seen some groups call it sublimed C60.
Yes.
So what do you think about sublimed? If you're buying sublimed C60?
Well, it's probably they need to get a better spell checker.
Thank you. Okay, thanks, Ken.
You're welcome.